The hierarchy of the Nigerian army has been reacting to the events birthed by the EndSARS protest, which resulted in the shooting and killing of protesters at the Lekki toll gates. Chief of Army Staff Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai, during a meeting with his principal staff officers, general officers commanding, and field commanders at the Army headquarters Abuja, stated that agitators were falsely accusing the army of being responsible for the activities of the miscreants, despite glaring evidence to the contrary. Briefing journalists after a closed-door meeting which lasted for over an hour, the Director Army Public Relations, Colonel Segiu Musa, said Buratai told officers and soldiers of the army not to be afraid of the International Criminal Court for carrying out their legitimate duties as stated in the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, and other extant laws, rules and regulations of Nigeria, saying they have every right under the Constitution to carry out assigned and legitimate roles of maintaining law and order in aid of civil authorities and other security agencies.
They have continually threatened to report the Nigerian Army to International Criminal Court and also threatened various forms of sanction against personnel and their families. Thankfully, however, a large percentage of Nigerians and international community have started seeing through the smoke screen of falsehood and deliberate misrepresentation of facts being orchestrated by enemies of Nigeria and have retracted their earlier false publications.
The Army Chief said in quotes, "Despite all these, the Nigerian Army has continued to exercise restraint, applied all the principles of internal security operations, and fully abided by the internationally recognized rules of engagement as contained in our published standard operating procedures for internal security operations, which are derived from the international human rights laws and are in accordance with the international principles guarding the use of force." According to the Army, not less than 10 AK-47 rifles have been lost across the country to miscreants in the past 2 weeks, as well as loss of lives of security personnel. At the end of the meeting, the principal staff officers, general officers commanding, and field commanders resolved to do the following: remain loyal to the federal government of Nigeria under President Muhammadu Buhari, ensure the unity and indivisibility of our country, assist the federal government to bring an end to insecurity across the country and to prevent miscreants and criminals from hijacking the EndSARS protest nationwide, remain focused and not to be deterred by any local or international threats. All commanders have been directed to intensify joint training with the Nigeria Police and other sister security agencies to enhance interagency collaboration and cooperation. Lieutenant Buratai directed commanders to warn their troops on internal security or on-guard duties outside the barracks, to be at maximum alert at all times, and to also deal decisively with any attack on their duty locations.